of my favorite things while traveling is to explore the local food scene in the region. I find it interesting to learn how food cultures are shaped through years of history. Ever since I started backpacking in 2013, I have visited about 20 Indian states. So in this video, I'm going to talk about my favorite Indian cities you should visit just for the food. 1. Amritsar. I was in Amritsar in the winter of 2018 and then again in the summer of 2019. The food here is cheap and delicious with a generous helping of butter on everything, right from their dals to kulchas. They serve the most amazing lassis in tall glasses and hot milk in kullads. I tried one of the best saffron firnis at the 100-year-old Kesar Da Dhaba. Non-vegetarians should definitely visit the Makhan Fish Corner for some great Amritsari fish tikka and mutton masala which goes well with beer. Along the same street, Bira Chicken makes some legendary roast chicken and keema rotis. And then of course, the Langar at the Golden Temple that serves delicious, wholesome meals to over 1 lakh visitors every day. I also love the Kada Prasad at the Golden Temple that is cooked in desi ghee. There's a saying that Amritsar se koi bhi ghar bhuka nahi jayega. I quite agree with whoever said this. Amritsar truly has my heart. Delhi. I'll rest the argument by saying Delhi's food scene is better than Mumbai's. Whether it's the street food at Chandni Chowk, the kebabs at Khan Market, or the fine dining scene at Connaught Place, there's something here for everybody. But I'll talk about this one particular place that is my absolute favorite, Majnu Ka Tilla. Home to about 400 Tibetan families that settled here after the Tibet uprising, Majnu Ka Tilla is the ultimate place to try authentic Tibetan cuisine. Near the Monastery Square, you'll find stalls selling local specialities like butter tea, momos, laughing, sampa, khapse, and a variety of cured meats on skewers. Fine dine eateries like the Dolma House and the Himalayan restaurant serve amazing thukpa soup and Tibetan pork ribs. My favorite though is tingmo, a Tibetan soft bun that goes well with buff shapta, a semi-gravy of buffalo meat and vegetables. You should also drop by at Ama's Cafe to try their yak butter cheesecake. I visited Majnu Ka Tilla twice and I can't wait to go back. Indore. This might come as a surprise considering my preferences are generally skewed towards non-vegetarian food. But it's hard to leave Indore out. People of Indore trip on food. Sarafa Bazaar in the heart of Indore city is a jeweller's lane by day and a lively khao gali at night. The city has some quirky and original snacks like bhutte ka keez and garadu. They also have their own take on several popular dishes like poha jalebi, shikanji, mawa bati, dahi bada, coconut patties, jaleba and Indori gundi pan. If you still end up craving a non-vegetarian meal, visit Johnny Hot Dog at Chappan Dukan, which is another eat street with 56 shops. Try the famous egg banjo and mutton hot dog here. I didn't see a lot of restaurants serving full meals in Indore. The city was all about chaats and namkeens, but they taste bloody damn good. Kolhapur. In July 2018, I did a road trip to Kolhapur only to try the city's local food. Kolhapur's royal influence reflects in its cuisine, especially its meat preparations. The food has bold and sharp flavors thanks to the homegrown lawangi mirchi and the special Kolhapuri masala. The tambda and pandra rasas, similar to spicy meat broths, are a must-have for anyone visiting Kolhapur. Their mutton thalis are to die for, and so is their mutton lonche or pickle. Vegetarians should try out the Akka Masoor Thali at Hotel Dihati near the old highway. The Kolhapuri misal is different from the misals we have in Mumbai and Pune. They serve the misal with sliced bread and a side of curd for those who can't handle the spice. You should also try the Kolhapuri Bhadang Bhel, which is spicier than its Mumbai counterpart thanks to the generous use of garlic and chili powder. Kolhapur should be on every food lover's bucket list. Kannur and Thalassery. I was covering the Thayyam dance festival in North Kerala in December 2018 when I was blown away by this region's food scene. Coastal Malabar's Mopla cuisine is influenced by the Mapala Muslims. I ate some of the best beef chili fry and Kerala parothas at nondescript bars here. Thalassery is a quick drive away and is known for the famous Tellicherry pepper. It is also known for the Thalassery fish biryani, which is, believe me, one of the best biryanis I've ever tried. Streets in Thalassery are dotted with tiny shops selling fried mussel snacks like Ari Kaduka and Chimin Unda. You should also drop by at the Mambali's Cake Factory, which claims to have baked the first plum cake in India in 1883. Kannur and Thalassery are undoubtedly underrated gems on the Indian food scene. So these were my favorite food cities in India. I still think this list will evolve once I visited West Bengal and Odisha because I've heard great things about their food scene. Let's hope I can bring you more food stories from there soon. Until then, thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new video updates.